Hey guys, this is Cammie from Cooper Family Homestead. I'm here with Josh and Tim. We're up here in the goat pen right now. You can see our old goat shed is in pieces. We have to move it because we're building a bigger chicken run since we have more chickens. So we had to move the goat shed down a little bit. We're still waiting on the barn. Thank you, Ronnie. So hopefully here soon it'll be here and we can get everybody situated in their more permanent places. Look at these two fatties stuffing their face while we're up here building them a house. Hey, how much do you love your goats?
Very much.
In the bottom?
We have to build a new house.
Mommy?
Wait on a barn, I guess.
Mommy,
What, Tim?
you need to put these on the bottom.
Okay. As y'all can see, Tim has a Rona haircut. That was kind of my fault. I put the guide on backwards. It was supposed to be a 6. That is not a 6. That's a 3.
That's a 1.
Well, the thingy said 3.
My beard just trimmed on a 3.
Well, I'm just saying. It'll grow back.
Oh no. Look at these screws. They're adorable.
Get another board.
Tim, get out of the screws. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, she wants you to love on her. Give her some lovin's.
Look, it's go down the ground.
Hi, Pam Pam. What do you think? Like your new house?
That's thing gonna go play with the goats in there. Goats. Ooh, look. Look here.
Who's that?
Gail. Hi, Gail.
Kelly.
The Gail is back in the fence. Look, it's just so little.
Yeah, she's little.
Gonna get her kisses.
Oh, Samson giving you kisses.
Sorry. Lucy, look. Lucy's taking a nap.
Yeah, Lucy's taking a nap.
Mwah.
Oh, that was sweet. You love
It's got
Gail?
little horns. Look, I'm gonna touch the little horns.
Yeah, she has little horns. Be easy.
Ooh. It's got these ears.
Yeah.
Look. Gail is scratching.
Yeah.
Look, it's scratching the ear. Look, Gail is have water.
All right, what do you think, Boogie? Do you like it? You think the goats will like it?
I'm in the shed. Mommy, come in the shed. Come in the shed. Come on, Daddy.
I think the goats are going to like this. What do you think?
Look at this. Now I'm gonna watch the clouds. Now I'm gonna watch the clock.
Hi, Big Mama. Excuse me. There's a goat up my butt. Silly girls. Hey guys, so we got it all finished. I think it actually looks pretty good. They've got 2 walkways here. Get a nice cross breeze through for this summer. They don't get too hot. We've got tarps on top and tarp on this side. That should help them stay dry, stay warm if the temperature does happen to drop. Hopefully this is only temporary until next month or so, until the barn gets here. We're hoping. But this is a lot more sturdy than the last one, so it should last a lot longer. So now we're going to take some straw and throw it out, give them a nice cushy little bed to sleep in. We'll call her a day. So don't forget to like, subscribe, keep watching.